Hey guys, F1 here, and right now I'm gonna do my first unboxing video. As you can see, I generally don't do that type of video because basically it's kinda always the same thing. You know, you got a guy trying to bust open a cardboard package with a knife and then taking what is inside and just say, whoa, it's gorgeous, you know. So, but I don't criticize that kind of video because I really like to watch them, you know, and you can somehow just feel the excitement of the guy opening the package, so it's pretty cool, and I'm definitely not criticizing it. So yeah, this is gonna be my first one, and this is a pretty special unboxing for me. You will understand why once I got it open. So it comes from Blue Line Gear, Brooklyn Park, and I guess MN here is for Minnesota. So yeah, let's check what's inside. I'm gonna use my Benchmade mini grip. Okay, I think it should work. I don't know. It's a little bit longer than what I had planned. Sorry for that. Alright. I'm just trying not... Oops, sorry. I'm trying not to cut what is inside. So, yeah, what's inside? Big question. You remember this video that I did couple week, no, I guess it was 1 week ago, or maybe even more. It was a short video, and it was a video response to Mr. Knives Rust, and the point was, what is my dream knife? So, guys, this is my dream knife. Shit, that's beautiful. So this is the Strider SNG, the concealed carry version with the Flame TI and the Ranger Green G10 and the Stonewash blade. And it is just gorgeous. Blade centering is nice. The blade is not going into this lanyard hole here. And lockup is fucking tight, so it's just perfect, you know. It's really stiff right now, but yeah, guys, that's it for today. I'm probably gonna do a macro video of this one, maybe today or tomorrow, I don't know. So in a manner that you can check this out with all the details and everything. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and see ya.